In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit videos with our new timeline mode. Scenes and music are key components of the timeline. The scene acts as a container in which you can put various resources, and music is added outside the scene. Drag the edge of a scene to change its length. Press and hold, then drag to rearrange it. You can add photos or videos to the scene as background or picture-in-picture effects. The length of the background is consistent with the scene. It is possible to edit the length of the picture-in-picture separately. Select the picture-in-picture on canvas and it will appear on the timeline. Drag the edge to trim it as you wish. The length of the picture-in-picture cannot exceed the scene's length. Hold and drag to change the duration in the current scene. The music tracks are displayed independently under the scene. Music can be placed in any location in the scene, but the part that exceeds the scenes will be hidden. You can apply multiple audio tracks at the same time. For example, in a scene, you can add background music, sound effects, and record the voiceover. You can make some adjustments if you need. Just drag the edge to trim. Hold and drag to rearrange. Hit the scissor icon or double-click the audio track to choose the right part you want to use. Now check our new timeline mode and make your videos for free.